Hey guys, Jess here. I am back with story number 1 in my December daily, and it's a fun one with a little flip book add-on. What you're looking at here is I have some little felt trees that came from like a garland trim. It was in Happy Mail from a friend, and I've decided to make like a little interactive booklet, if you will, with the felt trees. So I have a large black and white photo of my husband putting the tree together, and then using Silhouette Design Studio, I took a photo of the tree, I traced it, and then I input all of our Christmas decorating pictures in the shape of the tree. I did that all in the Silhouette Design Studio and printed and cut them out, and I am adhering those to these little felt trees. And then I am stacking the little felt trees and tying them together with a ribbon. And so it is a little bit chunky, so if you are somebody who doesn't have a lot of room for bulk in your album, this may be a little bit too much for yours, but me, I like dimension, and the more the better. But you could also do this with cardstock, so it would be a lot thinner if you like the idea. And so once I got all the photos on the trees, I've got one last tree that is my cover, and I've putting a chipboard number 1. I think that's Felicity Jane number, white with a little gold stripe in there. And then I went in my stash and found a sparkly little star to add to the top, which just finished it off. And I just think I love the green against the black and white and the little pop of gold and red. It just looks really good. I think it's super fun. So you can untie it and flip through the photos with the when you're looking through the album. So it's just a fun little addition. I did decide that it needed something else in that top left corner, so I went through all my round embellishments and pulled out an Allie Edwards little chipboard piece. I think it says like more sparkles please, or more lights please, or something along those lines, which I thought was fitting. It ended up being in green. There it is. More twinkle lights. That's what it is. I love that thing. So I added that up there to the top, punched some holes, and basically this layout is done. It took a little time to put together, trying to figure out how I was going to do the booklet, but I really like the end result of tying it. I hope you enjoyed this process video. Real-time process videos are over on my Patreon page, so if that's more your jam, go and check that out. Link below. And I will see you guys in story number 2. Bye!